going to show you how to clean a microwave with dish soap. It is easy, it is quick, so stay tuned and I hope you like the video. So as you can see, our microwave is super dirty. And yeah, we're going to clean it now. This is what you need to clean it with dish soap. First of all, you need dish soap. You need a sponge, a cloth, or paper towels. You need 1 cup of water. You need a spoon, and you need toothpicks. Yeah. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna put 1 spoon of dish detergent in the water. And we're going to put this into the microwave for about 1 to 2 minutes. So what it's going to do is going to get hot, and the steam is already going to do most of the work, so that you later just have to do the hard stuff, that is the stubborn stuff that is stuck on the walls and stuck on the ground. So now the 2 minutes are up. We're gonna wait another 3 minutes and let it sit in there, that the steam is gonna take care of the whole inside of the microwave. So 3 minutes are up. Now we have to take this out. It could be hot, so you can use this one here to take it out in your microwave. And the next thing we're doing is we're going to clean everything off with paper towels. This glass rotation plate, we're going to just clean with warm water and dish detergent in the sink. So make sure you are removing all the soap rests, all the dish soap rests out of your microwave. Just use a cloth with some warm water on it. So you might have some parts in your microwave that are like hard to clean, so you can just use a toothpick and just go like this to take the dirt out of it. So when we're done cleaning the inside of the microwave, we're gonna do the outside. First of all, here, the side parts, the edges, and then we're gonna go to the outside of the microwave. So whenever you're done cleaning the inside of the microwave, put everything back in there. And as you can see, it is nice and clean. And yeah, now it's time to clean the outside. Just like the inside, you can clean the outside with just normal water and dish detergent. So I hope you liked that video. As you can see, we're having a super clean microwave now. And yeah, if your microwave is super dirty, you might have to repeat the first step and put the water with dish detergent in there again for 2 minutes, and just do it twice. Yeah, I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned, leave a comment, like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.